Alright, hey guys, Scooters Nations here. I'm Riley. This is my unboxing video. So I ordered this about 2 weeks ago. It's an Envy Ace of Spades V2 Street Deck. I ordered from Exodus Pro Scooters. Anyways, I ordered the integrated headset as well. So this is my unboxing video. Okay, so that should do it. So in here somewhere. My headset probably. Here it is. Envy Ace of Spades V2 deck. Oh my god. Holy crap. This is actually so nice. Envy Ace of Spades V2 deck. 4.3 inches wide. Holy crap. Alright. So here's the break it came with and the integrated headset. So